Welcome to EPG Pathshala. This is Dr. Ankush Ambardar from Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Today, I'll be taking up a topic from the subject Tourism and Hospitality, Front Office Operations and Management, and the topic is International and National Chain Hotels, and the module is 37. Well, after completing this unit, we'll be able to understand hotels and different international hotel chains and national chains running within India. Well, the hotel sector occupied a pivotal place in the Indian service industry and has witnessed a tremendous growth during the recent decade. Hospitality operations determined as service industry are usually involved in economic activities by selling the hotel products like room, food, in a restaurant and other products and services. It also determines as lodging industry which provides hospitality services to guests and has the potential to generate revenue and foreign exchange. According to George 2001, the hospitality industry promotes a warm and friendly experience which is helpful for the consumers and is mainly concerned with providing food, drink and accommodation. On the other hand, tourism industry refers to the activity that occurs when tourists travel. Now, hotel industry is so entangled to the tourism industry that the growth of tourism industry influences the growth of hotel industry. In India, hotel industry plays a pivotal role towards boosting the economy. It is one of the biggest foreign exchange breadwinners to the country and also one of the largest employers. The history of the hotel industry is as old as tourism, and tourism is old as civilization. Hotel industry is inextricably linked to the tourism industry. In fact, both are two sides of same coin. The growth in the Indian tourism industry has fueled the growth of Indian hotel industry. Both are complementary to each other. The hotels provide a number of services to the visitors. The present-day modern concept of hotel is not just a place to provide accommodation and food and beverage, but offering to its guests every possible facility, services and convenience. The origin and development of the hospitality industry is a direct outcome of travel and tourism. India gained independence in 1947 and the hotel industry had a period in which no hotel development took place. Upon his return from the Non-Allied Movement Conference in 1956, late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, then Prime Minister of India, recognized that tourism could be an engine for country's economy growth and was inspired to build quality hotels in India for visiting foreign dignitaries. This led to the first ever government investment in the hotel industry with the building of the Ashok Hotel in New Delhi. The modern catering industry dates back to the inns of the Biblic period, which served food to the travelers and was gradually built up through the ages by inns, taverns, tea and coffee houses. The religious orders or the houses of nobility, which catered to a large number of people, influenced it. The definition of hotel industry is defined as a place where a bona fide traveler can take food, shelter, if he is in a position to pay for it and is in a suitable condition to be received. Today's hotels cater to all the needs and wishes of the guest, which will continue in the future. In India, the development in tourism combined with the head-age travel, increase in population and individual expansion all increase the need for catering establishments, which form an important source of foreign exchange earnings. India is a land of varied culture, histories, and hence cuisines. Cool hills of the north have warming and filling root vegetables. The heat of south makes for cooling foods and steaming methods of cooking. The variety of spice usage, flavor, and seasoning is highest in the world. The admixture of these numerous seasonings make Indian cookery unique. The impact of the Raj did not affect the local cuisine. Hence, the European cuisine did not get a foothold on Indian soil. Indian cuisine adapted extremely well to the Western world and is continuously increasing in its popularity. Now, international hotel chains. Number 1, Accor Group. The Hotels Accor belongs to two friends, Paul de Breuil and Gerard Pellisson, who opened their first Novotel in 1967. At the time, no one in France yet believed in this new hotel business module. Further, through their creativity and boldness, they pushed the boundaries of what is possibly ever further. Today, the dream of hospitality has become Accor Hotels. The group brings together over 4,200 hotels and almost 5,25,000 rooms in 95 countries. Proud heirs of co-founders' vision, every day 240,000 talented people continue to invent the hospitality of tomorrow and bring to life the passion for the guest. The brands are, in luxury segment, they have Sofitel Legend, Sofitel Fairmount and Raffles. In upper upscale, they have Pullman Swiss Hotel, M Gallery, the Siebel, Edigo Premium. In upscale, they have Grand Mercure. In upper mid-scale, they have Novotel Suites, Novotel, Adagio, Mama Shelter. In mid-scale, they have Mercure. In budget hotels, they have Ibis, Formulae, One, Excess, Coralia. Next is Best Western. This is one of the old and famous chain of hotels. In total, Best Western International, operator of the Best Western Hotels and Resort brand, operates approximately 4,200 hotels and motels and approximately 302,000 rooms. The chain in total operates 2,163 hotels with its corporate headquarters in Phoenix, Arizona in North America. M.K. Gritton is the founder of this chain hotel who started this in year 1946. The president, David Kong, and CEO of Best Western, and Dorothy Rowland, who is the chief marketing officer of Best Western chain, had worked massively for the growth and development of the organization. In 2012, Best Western introduces advanced cleaning technologies at its North American properties, becoming the first hotel brand to empower housekeeping staff to set a new standard for guest care through the use of UV vans, black lights, and clean remotes. Best Western announces new master brand logo in 2015, which pulls through the company's current blue color, updated with the modern type, and uses unique hand-drawn lettering which was created to be contemporary, friendly, and impressive. Through that logo, it has clearly defined the Best Western is a company of hotels and resorts across the globe with brands that meet the needs of today's travelers. This chain operates many hotels globally. For example, in upscale market, they have Best Western Premier, Web, BW Premier Collection. In upper middle scale market, they operate their Best Western Plus, Executive Residency. In mid-scale market, they operate Best Western GLO. Next is Choice Hotels. Choice Hotels International represents one of the largest chain hotels in the world, and most of the researchers prove that it is the successful lodging companies in the world. Franchisees more than 6,400 hotels and is representing more than 5 lakh rooms in more than 40 countries and territories. The chain Choice Hotels are largest and it keeps expanding the business all over the world. In 1939, Choice business began as a marketing cooperative formed by a group of 7 Florida motor coach hotel owners. Earlier, this hotel was operating under the name Quality Coats United, the nation's first hotel chain. The main motive of the owners was to establish service standards for their properties in order to better meet the needs and expectations of their guests through they used to refer business to each others. Further, over the years, more hotels joined the Quality Coats system, which had become an influential force in the lodging industry and had established a reputation for providing value-driven, affordable lodging in convenient and popular locations. In terms of innovation, the company established a rich history as it was the first in the industry to offer guaranteed reservations offer 24-hour service decks, valet parking, in-room telephones, toll-free reservations, segment brands, develop a global marketing and reservation system, offer non-smoking rooms and floors in every hotel, develop the first global hotel applications for use with the iPhone, internet-based property management system. The chain operates many hotels globally. For example, in upscale market, they run Ascent Collections Cambria Suites, Clarion Hotels. In upper mid-scale market, they have Comfort Suites, Clarion's Inn. In mid-scale market, they operate Mainstay Suites, Quality Inn, Comfort Inn, Sleep Inn. In budget hotels, they have Econo Lodges, Roadway Inns, Suburb Extended Stay Hotels. Next is Hilton. So Conrad N. Hilton opened the first hotel in 1925 by the name of Dallas Hilton, the first hotel to carry the Hilton name. He aimed to operate the best hotel in Texas. Hilton is one of the most respected brands in the world as a result of its commitment, leadership, and innovation. Today, the group has over 4,700 properties and over 7,75,000 rooms. Since air conditioning hadn't yet been invented, the elevators, laundry chutes, air shafts, and other non-customer facilities were placed on the building's west side so that no guest rooms faced the western sun. In 1919, Conrad Hilton opened the hotel in Cisco, Texas by the name of the Mobley. Over the next few years, he buys other Texas hotels. The chain operates many hotels globally. For example, in luxury segment, the chain has Waldorf Astoria, Conrad Hotels. In upper scale market, they run Hilton, Doubletree, Canopy by Hilton, Curé Collection. In upper scale segment, they have Embassy Suites by Hilton. In upper scale, middle scale segment, they operate Hilton Garden Inn, Homewood Suites by Hilton, Home2 Suites, and in mid-scale segment, they run True by Hilton, Hampton by Hilton. Intercontinental Hotels Group. The Intercontinental Hotel Group, shortly called as IHG, has almost present in 100 countries and is one of the world's leading hotel chain. The IHG became a standalone company in year 2003, but their business and portfolio of hotel brands have a much longer history. The story starts in year 1777 when William Bass opens a brewery in Burton-on-Trent, UK. The business later transforms from domestic brewer into global hospitality company. The first Intercontinental Hotel opens in Belém, Brazil in 1949. Further, in 1998, the Intercontinental Hotels and Resorts brand expands to become the world's first truly international luxury hotel brand. Kemmons Wilson had the idea while on a family trip to Washington, D.C., where he saw the need for comfortable and affordable places for families to stay, and in 1952 he opens the first Holiday Inn Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. Bass acquires the international part of business in 1988 and the North American division in 1990. By the massive growth and development of the company in 1960s, Bass becomes one of the largest brewers and pub owners in the UK through acquisitions of well-known regional brewing companies, including Michel's and Butler's in 1961 and a merger with Charrington's in 1967. Moreover, company expands its business in 1983. The Crowne Plaza brand launches with a focus on business travelers, and in 1991, Bass launches limited service brands Holiday Inn Express. IHG continuously working for innovation and modernization like extended stay hotel brands. Candlewood Suites is founded and becomes the first hotel brand to offer free guest laundry. IHG acquires it in 2003. In 2000, Bass confirms its position as Asia Pacific leading hotel company with acquisition of Southern Pacific Hotels Corporation in Australia. It buys US-based hotel management company Bristol Hotels and Resorts. It further refocuses the business from domestic brewing operations to global hospitality company by selling Bass Brewers to Interbrew for 2.3 billion. In 2004, IHG launches its new boutique hotel brand, Hotel Indigo, which each property designed to reflect the local culture and history of the surrounding areas. In 2012, IHG launches Even Hotels, the first mainstream hotel brand focused on wellness and fulfilling the demand for healthier travel. The chain operates many hotels globally. For example, in luxury segment, they run InterContinental Hotels. In upper upscale market, they have Crown Plaza, Kimpton Hotels and Restaurants. In upscale market, they operate Hotel Indigo, Even Hotels, Staybridge Suites, Holiday Inn Select. In upper mid-scale segment, they have Holiday Inn. In mid-scale segment, they run Holiday Inn Express, Candlewood Suites. Next is Marriott Group. The Marriott Hotel plays a pivotal role in the growth and development of hotel industry. Marriott International is a leading global lodging company. They operate more than 6,000 properties in 122 countries and territories, reporting revenues of more than $17 billion in fiscal year 2016. The company is founded by Jay Williard and Elise Marriott and guided by family leadership for nearly 90 years. The headquarters of the company is outside of Washington, D.C. in Bethesda, Maryland. The following is the time-to-time history and growth of the company. So during the period 1927-1956, it all began with an A&W root beer stand. Founder Jay Williard Marriott and his wife Elise got their young business off the ground by quenching people's thirst during Washington, D.C.'s hot, muggy summers. Good food and good service at a fair price became a guiding principle for Hot Shoppy's restaurants and for Marriott International as it grew. So during 1957-1985, Marriott made a historic shift into the whole business. In 1957, the world's first motor hotel opened in Arlington, Virginia, under the management of Jay Williard Marriott's son, Bill. Over the next 25 years, Marriott became a diverse global enterprise, and Bill Marriott became a visionary CEO whose leadership transformed the hospitality industry. During 1986-2011, the company came up with innovative model, one company, many brands, that Marriott began building in the late 1980s to become one of the best and top hospitality company in the world. Marriott International broke new grounds in its quest. From pioneering the extended stay business to launching distinctive brands geared towards the business travelers to increase its presence overseas. Further, in year 2016, Marriott International acquires Starwood Hotels and Resorts, creating the world's largest hotel company with more than 5,700 properties, offering more than 1.1 million rooms across 30 brands in over 110 countries. Today, Marriott have a diverse portfolio of hotels and operations. To give an indication of the scale of operations, they are divided into various sectors which are as follows. So in luxury segment, they have St. Regis, W Hotels, the Luxury Collection, the Ritz-Carlton, Bulgari Hotels and Resorts, JW Marriott, Edition. In upper scale segment, they operate Westin Hotels and Resorts, La Méridien Hotels, Sheraton, Tribute Portfolio, Autograph Collection Hotels, Renaissance Hotels, Marriott, Delta Hotels, Marriott Executive Apartments, Gallard Hotels. In upscale segment, they run 4 Points by Sheraton, Elwyn by Westin, Aloft, AC Hotels, Courtyard Marriott, Spring Hill Suites Marriott, Residency Inn Marriott. In upper scale, middle scale segment, they operate Moxy Hotels, Fairfield Inns and Suites Marriotts, Protea Hotels Marriott, Townley Place Suites Marriott. Now let's talk about some national hotel chains. So at first would be Taj Group. The Taj Group of Hotels is one of the renowned hotel chains with their hotels in Pan-India and across the world. The Taj Hotel Resorts and Palaces is recognized the world's best company for delivering a unique flavor of hospitality that offers world-class refinement while remaining deeply rooted in its Indian heritage. Started its first property with Mumbai, the Taj Mahal Palace is the first hotel of Taj, opened in year 1903. Further, in 1970, the Fort Agoda Beach Resort opened in Goa, the chain's first international five-star deluxe beach resort. The Taj Group, moreover, began its business in metropolitan hotels. Chance to open the five-star deluxe hotels, Taj Coromandel in Chennai. Further, in 1978, the group also started the process and work to open Taj Mahal Hotel in Delhi. For more than a century, Taj has brought together the unique beauty and traditions from across India in an experience that highlights true Indian hospitality. To put many Indian destinations on the map, Taj hotels play a pivotal role. From the resorts of Goa to the upcoming business hubs of Indian Silicon Valley, an iconic Taj hotel is a mainstay of the destination. Since the 1970s, the group stated converting royal palaces in India into luxury hotels. The Lake Palaces in Udaipur is the first place to be converted into a Taj luxury hotel in 1971. Other examples include the Rambagh Palace in Jaipur, Umaid Bhawan Palace in Jodhpur, Faluknum Palace in Hyderabad, and Nadesar Palace in Varanasi. In 1980s, the Taj Hotels was massively working on the expansion of their hotels globally. The Taj Group opened its first hotel outside India, the Taj Sheba Hotels in Sanaz in Yemen, and in the late 1980s acquired interests in the St. James Court Hotel in London. Taj has 100 hotels in 62 locations across India. Taj offers guests the refined luxury of heritage combined with naturally efficient service and local expertise to create a moment to remember. In India, Taj hotels are strategically located to offer the Taj experience in business hubs, industrial towns, and metropolis, as well as the most remote pilgrimage centers, historic and natural destinations. The group has extended its international presence with 15 hotels in Maldives, Malaysia, UK, USA, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Africa, and Middle East. This chain has many properties worldwide under the various segments. In luxury segments, they run Taj hotels. In upper scale segment, they operate Vivanta by Taj. In upscale hotels, they run Gateway Hotels. In budget segment, they have Ginger Hotels. Next is the Oberoi Group. So reputed hotels such as the Taj, the Oberois, and the Ambassador were well established when India became independent. After independence, the hospitality industry grew at a faster rate. As economic activities augmented, numerous eateries and hotels of different styles and sizes were established, which catered to the requirements of the travelers and the general public. Oberoi Group is one of the chain hotels in India, founded in year 1934, and operates 31 hotels all around, which include Nile cruises and a motor vessel in backwaters of Kerala. The group expanded very massively with the motive to provide quality service and to establish standards, which helps in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Under the brands of luxury Oberoi and five-star Trident, the group has presence in 6 countries. Moreover, the group is also engaged in flight catering, airport restaurants, travel and tour services, car rentals, project management, and corporate air charters. Oberoi Hotels and Resorts is synonymous the world over with providing the right blend of service, luxury, and quiet efficiency. Internationally acclaimed for all-around excellence and unparalleled levels of service, Oberoi Hotels and Resorts have received innumerable awards and accolades. A unique feature of the group's hotel is their highly motivated and well-trained staff that provides exceptionally attentive, personalized, and warm service. The group's luxury hotels have established a reputation for redefining the paradigm of luxury and excellence in service amongst leisure hotels around the world. ITC Hotels. So ITC Hotels are one of the largest and growing chain hotels in the country with around 100 hotels across 70 destinations. ITC has jumped into the hotels business to support the national priority of developing new avenues of foreign exchange earnings and boosting tourism. In year 1975, ITC started its hotels with the Sheraton Chola, Chennai. ITC's journey in its business has redefined the pace of Indian hospitality. ITC Hotels integrated India's fine tradition of hospitality with globally benchmarked services and symbolized by its distinctive Namaste logo. ITC has played a pivotal role in Indian hospitality industry. The term sustainability is well proved by the efforts of ITC chain hotels. ITC Hotels is an example in sustainable hospitality with all its premium hotels being LEED Platinum certified. The hotel pioneered the concept of branded accommodation, branded cuisine, environment, and guest safety. The chain also participate in social activities and contribute to society as it is one of India's premier corporations. ITC Hotels seeks to fulfill a larger role by enlarging its contribution. The chain has many properties worldwide under the various segments. In luxury segment, they operate ITC Luxury Collection. In upscale segment, they have Welcome Hotels, Welcome Heritage Hotels. In upper mid-scale segment, they run by the name of Fortune. Apart from the above famous chains, there are a number of other chains which also dot to the landscape. Among them are ITDC, it has 8 properties in India, Leela having 9 properties, Lemon Tree having more than 40 properties, in upscale Lemon Tree Premier and mid-scale Lemon Tree. In budget, it's termed as Red Fox Hotels. Royal Orchid has 38 properties, The Park with 8 properties. So to conclude the unit, reputed hotels such as the Taj, the Oberoi and the Ambassador were well established when India became independent. After independence, the hospitality industry grew at a faster rate. As economic activities augmented, numerous catering and hotels of different styles and sizes were established, which catered to the requirements of the travelers and the general public. A hotel or group or a part of series which is operated by the same company or owner is known as chain hotel. Opposite of an independent hotel is a chain affiliated hotel. A chain hotel is usually called an administration company, that too located in different areas or regions by the same name. They can be total or partial owners of the hotel and they manage their administration, marketing and promotion. Hospitality operations determined as service industry are usually involved in economic activities by selling the hotel products like room, food and restaurant and other products and services. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala. This was Dr. Ankush Ambardar from Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University.